This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Reach under the steering column and pull the bonnet release handle. Push the safety catch to one side and lift the bonnet. Unclip the support prop and engage it with the underside of the bonnet. Pull the rubber weather strip up from the passenger side of the scuttle panel. Prise out the caps and unscrew the retaining screws. Remove the passenger side of the scuttle panel. Release the two clips at the front edge. Fold down the flap and slide the filter element from the housing. Slide the new filter element into the housing with the side label top uppermost. Close the flap and secure it with the clips. Maneuver the scuttle panel into position, then tighten the retaining screws securely. Refit the plastic caps. Press the rubber weather strip back into place. Disengage the support prop and clip it into place. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.